Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming it's off with a non-contact tester. Once power is confirmed, remove the old switch and observe which wire is line versus load. This matters because connecting them wrong will make the circuit behave incorrectly. Make sure you also locate the neutral bundle and the ground. While you work, keep tools organized: screwdriver, wire stripper, voltage tester, and wire nuts. Doing this now prevents backtracking and unsafe surprises. With wires exposed, strip about 3/8 of an inch and twist stranded ends for a clean connection. Next, attach the hot feed, the line to the switch common terminal, and connect the lamp feed, the load, to the switch terminal. This ensures current flows only when you flip the switch. If you're installing a smart switch, tie its neutral into the neutral bundle so electronics have a return path. Finally, attach the ground to the green screw. Good grounding prevents shock and interference. Once wired, gently fold the wires back into the box so nothing is pinched, secure the switch to the wall, and replace the cover. Now restore power at the breaker and test the switch. Flip it, test dimming or app pairing, and observe the load for proper response. If it doesn't work, cut power and recheck the line connection first, then confirm your tester reads correctly and the breaker is on. If issues persist, a loose terminal or swapped line/load is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.